हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वंस अगेन। आज मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको कच्चे केले की सब्जी कैसे बनाई जाती है। तो मैंने यहाँ पे सामान लिए हुए हैं इंग्रेडिएंट्स। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने यहाँ पर लिया हुआ है गार्लिक। तो 5 to 6 गार्लिक आपको लेना है। यहाँ मैंने रेड चिली लिया हुआ है। यहाँ तो आप यहाँ पर लेंगे 5 to 6 रेड चिली। मैंने लिया है हल्दी, टर्मरिक पाउडर, हींग, एसोफेटिडा, सरसों के दाने लिए हैं मैंने। ये अब मार्केट में इजीली अवेलेबल है। येलो सरसों के दाने हैं ये। और मैंने लिए हुए हैं 2 raw बनाना एंड सॉल्ट। तो आपको इसको बनाने के लिए इतने ही इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए। तो लेट्स सी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ इसे बनाना कैसे है। तो मुझे क्या करना होगा, पहले मैं इसे और इसको, इन तीनों को ग्राइंडर में बिल्कुल बारीक फाइन पेस्ट बना लूँगी इन तीनों का। तो इन तीनों चीज़ों को आई एम गोइंग टू ग्राइंड दीज ऑल 3 इन अ ग्राइंडर फाइन पेस्ट। तो आइए दिखाती हूँ मैं इसे करना कैसे है। So as you can see, my masala is blended properly. So see, like this kind of texture I blended it. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to transfer this to in a bowl. And I have taken lemon here. So we have to squeeze this lemon into this. So now what we have to do, we have to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon hing, asafoetida, and now we have to add salt according to the taste. So now we have to give it a nice mix. If required, you can add some water in this also. And remember, I blended this masala with water as well. So you have to add water while blending the masala. So now I will show you how to do it. And I have taken 2 bananas, raw bananas. So I have cut it into pieces like this, some little thick pieces. You can cut in any shape. Okay, so I just soaked in a salt water. Okay, and I have taken oil. So you can take any oil here, like any refined oil, any mustard oil, olive oil, anything, any oil you can take. So now we'll fry this banana on shallow fry will do. I have taken one pan here and I will put some oil in this. Around 1 tablespoon oil I am putting here. So let it heat in a medium flow. So now in this masala, what you have to do, you have to take this raw banana and just you have to dip in this and you have to coat it all over like this. So now we'll put this coated banana into this oil. The same way we have to coat another banana. we have to put in the oil. If you eat non-veg, you can use fish here also. Okay, so you cut the fish in this shape and just put in this masala and just fry it like this. It would be very tasty. So now we have to fry it on medium flame. Okay, so let it fry at one side, then we'll flip it another side. So now we'll flip it. We'll put some little oil. So mustard seeds is like little pungent. The taste is like pungent smells, and some smell will be there. So, but when you put like lemon and some masalas in that, so that smell will go on. And when you fry it like this, then the smell will not come in that. You can try it. You try it with like fish. Fish is also fish tastes also good. Okay. So as you can see, my both the side is like golden brown kind of color. So now it is done. I'm going to remove it in my serving bowl. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button for more recipes. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.